In this video, I'll demonstrate how to insert a subcuticular suture using porcine abdominal wall. There are a variety of methods of starting a subcuticular closure. In this method, we have started a short distance, approximately 1 centimetre beyond the extent of the incision, and passed a monofilament suture on a cutting needle through the skin and subcutaneous tissue to emerge at the apex of the incision. A clip applied to the free end of the suture maintains tension and prevents the irritation of it being pulled through. Either the skin with toothed forceps, and, working in a plane parallel to the skin, insert the needle at 90 degrees to the skin below the epidermis. Use the needle holder to drive the needle. The next bite should start opposite the exit point of the needle of the previous bite. Continue in this manner until you reach the apex. When you take your final bite, leave some slack in the suture to form a loop. Passing your fingers through this loop, grasp the suture to form a new loop. Repeat this 4 to 5 times, then lock the suture by passing the needle through the loop to complete the Aberdeen knot. This knot can be buried by passing the needle from the apex of the wound to emerge in line with the longitudinal axis of the wound 1 centimetre from the apex. Cut the suture flush with the skin. An alternative method of starting the subcuticular suture is to anchor the knot in the dermal tissue. The knot can be buried by passing the needle beneath the knot to emerge in the subcuticular plane at the apex.